Hi, I'm your vehicle's well-wisher and engine's protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today, I'm going to show how to protect your helmet from bacterial germs and odor with Magsol Helmet Antibacterial Spray. Daily riding causes sweat, moisture and heat to build up inside helmets. Over time, this leads to bad odor, discomfort in unhygienic conditions, especially in hot and humid weather. Remove the helmet. Spray lightly inside the helmet padding. Wipe clean with a dry cloth. Allow it to air dry completely before use. Helmet feels fresher and more comfortable to wear. Reduced odor improves riding comfort and hygiene, especially during daily commutes. Use after rides or as needed.